A federal grand jury charged 2 Colorado companies and some of their executives with conspiring to avoid paying tariffs on forklifts imported from China into the U.S. Court documents accuse the companies Octane Forklifts and Endless Sales, which does business as Discount Forklifts, of selling the machines to federal government agencies as Made in America, disguising their Chinese origin. Individuals mentioned in the indictment include current executives Brian Firkins and Jeffrey Blasdell, as well as former executive J.R. Anchek. The DOJ also alleges that the companies and executives collaborated with an unnamed Chinese company and a national to make fake invoices that undervalued the forklift's cost. By doing so, the department estimates that those involved defrauded the U.S. government of more than $1 million in applicable fees, duties, and tariffs. The grand jury charged each company and person with conspiring to commit wire fraud. The individual counts carry a maximum prison sentence of 20 years and a fine up to $250,000. The corporation's counts include a maximum penalty of $500,000. Additionally, the companies and executives face charges of conspiring to enter goods into the U.S. via fraudulent or false statements. Individual counts threaten a 5-year maximum prison sentence and a $250,000 fine. The corporate maximum penalty is a $500,000 fine. Blasdell also faces a charge for making false statements to the government, which carries a maximum penalty of 5 years in prison and a fine of $250,000. If convicted, a federal district court judge will determine sentences. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.